Welcome to LifeSafer. We know getting started with your interlock can feel like a lot, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through every step. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use your device. Let's get started. Before you hit the road, your LifeSafer device will prompt you to take a test to start your vehicle. For key start vehicles, turn the key halfway, just enough to power on the electronics without starting the engine. For push-to-start vehicles, press the button without your foot on the brake. When you turn on your device, it will go through a quick warm-up process. You'll see a countdown screen letting you know when it's ready for a test. Most of the time, this only takes a few seconds, but in extreme cold, it can take up to 3 minutes. Want to speed things up? You can preset up to 3 warm-up times in a 24-hour period, so your device is ready when you need it. When your device is ready for a test, you'll see blow on the screen. Simply blow into the mouthpiece while making a humming sound for about 5 seconds. A good trick is to say the word "do" as you blow to help create the correct hum tone. You will have 60 seconds to take a test before the device will automatically power down. You'll hear a tone as you blow, and it will stop when the device has received a good sample. Once that happens, you're good to go. After you've passed the initial test and started driving, your device will prompt you for random retests, as required by your state. The first retest will happen not long after you begin driving, and after that, they'll happen at random intervals. You'll see "Drive safely" on the screen between tests to remind you. When it's time for a retest, you'll hear 2 high-pitched beeps, and the screen will display "Blow." You'll typically have 5 minutes to complete the retest, but the time may vary between 3 to 10 minutes, depending on your state's requirements. Now that you've learned the basics, you're all set to hit the road with your device. If you ever have questions or need support, our team is here for you. Thank you for choosing LifeSafer.